Okay. I'm here with an organ update. We have to date received $67,116 total. This is from $60,250 in pledges. $50,000 of that has been received, and we've received almost $7,000 more as additional gifts. So we thank you for that. The piece I'm playing, I was actually inspired by Brant and Rob going to General Assembly, believe it or not. That's how my brain works. Buxtehude, the composer of the piece I'm about to play, was really famous when Bach was alive. Bach himself, like the Bach, he walked 230 miles to hear Buxtehude play. That's how famous this guy was. 230 miles is how far it is to Cleveland. Not quite to Detroit, where Rob and Brant went, but the New York Yankees are in Cleveland next week, but I'm going to drive, not walk. Anyway, again, a fugue, the idea of a fugue, this is this theme, bum ba da da dum, bum ba da da dum, ba dum, bum ba da 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 da. This is a motor that goes through the entire piece, and the idea of a fugue is you're going to hear that voice just keep coming one after another after another. So think about walking 230 miles to hear not me, but Buxtehude, who wrote this piece.